Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Fortnite crashing on PC with some quick and effective steps. First, restart your computer to clear temporary glitches that may cause the game to crash. Next, make sure your graphics drivers are fully updated because outdated drivers are one of the most common reasons for crashes. After that, open the Epic Games launcher, go to your library, click the three dots on Fortnite, and select Verify to repair any corrupted game files. Also, lower your in-game graphics settings, especially if your system is struggling to keep up. Then, disable any background apps or overlays like Discord or GeForce Experience, as they can sometimes interfere with the game. You should also check for Windows updates to ensure your system is fully optimized. Finally, if the issue continues, try reinstalling Fortnite completely. These steps usually fix most crashing problems and get your game running smoothly again without further issues. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.